Hi everyone, welcome back to my winter wonderland themed activity. In today's video, we are going to be making some snow. All you need is some bicarbonate of soda, a spoon, some fridge water, and a mixing bowl. Okay, so in your mixing bowl, you are going to go ahead and add in some of your bicarbonate of soda. Now for today's video, I'm just going to be making a snowball, so I'm not going to add that much of snow. Obviously, the more snow you require, the more bicarb of soda you will add into your bowl. Once it's all in, you are going to add in some water slowly and give it a mix until we get the texture we desire. It's beginning to look like snow. We're just going to add a little bit more water. Give it a nice mix. So as you can see, it's clumpy, but and that looks just right. So you will know when your mixture is ready if you are able to pick up some of the snow and start molding it or shaping it into a snowball. And our snowball is ready. That is wonderful. You can go ahead and play outside, have a snowball fight, and just hose the bicarbonate of soda away once you've done. Remember, it's important to use fridge water so that the snow texture is cold. And you can have some fun. You can even go ahead to try and build a snowman. All done. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.